Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special, one of the most exhilarating performance SUVs of 2025, the Porsche Cayenne GTS. If you're looking for the perfect blend of luxury, power, and everyday practicality, this might just be the one for you. In this video, we're diving deep into every detail of the new Cayenne GTS, its bold exterior design, high-tech interior, thrilling performance, and of course, pricing. By the end, you'll know if this SUV is worth your attention. So, let's jump right in. The first thing that grabs your attention is the aggressive stance of the 2025 Cayenne GTS. Porsche has given it an updated front fascia, featuring a larger blacked-out grille that gives it a dominant road presence. The sleek LED matrix headlights not only enhance visibility but also add to the SUV's sharp, athletic look. The sculpted hood and bold air intakes hint at the power that lies beneath. The front bumper gets sporty accents, and the Porsche emblem sits proudly in the center, showcasing the brand's legacy of performance and precision engineering. Moving to the side, the muscular lines continue, giving the Cayenne GTS a strong yet elegant profile. The SUV sits lower than the standard Cayenne, thanks to its adaptive air suspension, which improves handling and stability. The blacked-out window trim, side skirts, and 21-inch RS Spider wheels give it an aggressive touch, making it clear that this is no ordinary SUV. The sloping roofline adds a coupe-like silhouette, blending sportiness with SUV practicality. The signature GTS badging on the side is subtle but reminds you that this is the performance-focused variant of the Cayenne lineup. At the back, the Porsche Cayenne GTS continues to impress. The LED taillights stretch across the width of the vehicle, seamlessly integrated into the design for a modern, futuristic feel. The roof spoiler enhances aerodynamics, while the quad exhaust tips in black stainless steel signal that this SUV means business. The rear diffuser is sportier than ever, and the overall rear design is both aggressive and refined. Whether you're viewing it from the front, side, or back, the Cayenne GTS is a perfect blend of performance aesthetics and Porsche DNA. Stepping inside, the Cayenne GTS welcomes you with a luxurious yet driver-focused cabin. Porsche has upgraded the interior with premium materials, including leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trims, elevating the overall feel of the SUV. The sports seats are designed for comfort and support, with adjustable side bolsters that hug you during spirited driving. The dashboard features a fully digital 12.6-inch instrument cluster, providing real-time driving data with crystal-clear graphics. The 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the new Porsche Communication Management System ensures seamless connectivity. The center console houses a minimalist gear selector and a range of physical buttons for essential functions, keeping the design clean and intuitive. The premium Burmester sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, perfect for long drives. Rear passengers are also treated to ample legroom, heated seats, and their own climate control zone. Cargo space remains generous, making the Cayenne GTS as practical as it is powerful. Every element of the interior reflects Porsche's commitment to craftsmanship, technology, and performance. Now, let's talk about what truly makes the Cayenne GTS stand out, its performance. Under the hood, Porsche has equipped it with a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering a staggering 500 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse is paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic S automatic transmission, ensuring rapid shifts and exhilarating acceleration. The Cayenne GTS can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds when equipped with the Sport Chrono package, making it one of the quickest SUVs in its class. Porsche's all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction, whether you're carving through corners or tackling challenging road conditions. The adaptive air suspension, rear axle steering, and Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus work together to enhance handling, making the Cayenne GTS feel more like a sports car than an SUV. The upgraded braking system, featuring larger discs and high-performance calipers, provides exceptional stopping power. Whether on the highway or the track, the 2025 Cayenne GTS delivers an adrenaline-pumping driving experience that few SUVs can match. Pricing for the 2025 Porsche Cayenne GTS starts at around $120,000, but with optional packages and customization, the cost can climb significantly. Features like carbon ceramic brakes, upgraded interior trims, and advanced driver assistance systems add to the price. While it's certainly an expensive SUV, the level of performance, luxury, and brand prestige justifies the price for those looking for a high-performance, daily drivable Porsche. For those considering the Cayenne GTS, here are some key things to keep in mind. If you're someone who values a balance of sportiness and luxury, this SUV is one of the best options available. It's not just about speed, it offers a refined ride, everyday usability, and cutting-edge technology. However, if fuel efficiency is a priority, the V8 engine might not be the most economical choice. Additionally, if you're looking for a full off-roading SUV, the standard Cayenne or the Turbo GT might be a better fit. Overall, the 2025 Porsche Cayenne GTS is an outstanding high-performance SUV that delivers everything a driving enthusiast could ask for. It's powerful, stylish, and packed with technology, making it one of the top contenders in its segment. Whether you're looking for a thrilling daily driver or a weekend performance machine, this SUV checks all the right boxes. That's a wrap for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Let me know in the comments, would you pick the Cayenne GTS over its rivals? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.